Hello students, welcome back to another session in this unit. We are dealing the fifth unit now. This is the another topic, classification and layouts of plants. So this is very simple topic. We will see that in a very quick session. So these are all the topics we have seen, and the remaining topics are air distribution systems and filters, and we have air conditioning systems with controls. So these are the two more topics in this unit. Now we will see classification and layout of plants. So this is obviously HVAC plants, and these are all the topics we have completed so far. So classification and layout of HVAC plants. HVAC plant refers to the centralized or decentralized infrastructure responsible for generating, conditioning and distributing heat, ventilation and air conditioning to a building. So it is obviously a building management system. So there are different plants available. So those plants we will discuss in this session. A plant typically includes major components like chillers, boilers, cooling towers, air handling units, pumps, and ductwork or piping systems. So these are the major components in an HVAC system in a plant. And the classification of HVAC plants or HVAC plants can be classified based on various criteria. So the first one is based on medium used. So here the type all air system, all water system, air water system, DX system. So this is nothing but direct expansion system, and air water system, both air and water used for conditioning, and water is circulated. All water system is water is circulated. So for example, fan coil units, radiant cooling, and all air system only air is used for heat cooling transfer. So that is VAV and CAV. So classification and layout of HVAC plants. So next one is based on location and coverage. So first one is centralized system. A single large system serves entire building through duct or pipe networks. So that is centralized system. And decentralized systems, independent units serve specific zones or rooms. So it is normally split ACs and simple in a room single unit system, and packaged system factory assembled units for rooftop or outdoor installation. So next is based on application. So comfort systems, offices, malls, hotels, residential, industrial systems, clean rooms, process cooling, data centers, specialized systems. Those they are the places where very critical operations taking place, like ICUs in hospitals, laboratories, high humidity zones. So layouts of HVAC plants. So let's understand common plant layouts through diagrams and flowcharts. So first one is centralized HVAC plant layout. So it is nothing but all air system. So this is a cooling tower, a flowchart, a chiller plant. Now from there we have primary chilled water pump and secondary chilled water pump, and then air handling units, and then we have duct network, and then we have conditioned space. So this is a simple diagram or flow chart. So it is centralized HVAC plant layout. So it is all air system. So key features of this is chiller cools water, so which circulates through chilled water loops, and AHUs, air handling units, condition the air and distribute it via ducts, and cooling tower dissipates condenser heat to atmosphere. So these are the key features of this first layout, plant layout. Next, we have packaged HVAC plant layout, decentralized system. So packaged layout is like this: rooftop packaged, and it is duct network is used, and conditioned zone A. So next is rooftop packaged, duct network and conditioned space B. So two or more spaces can be conditioned like this. and key features are suitable for small medium buildings. Each zone can be controlled independently. So next is chilled water based system with air water distribution. So diagram 3, air water HVAC layout. So that is chiller, and we have AHU with coil, air handling unit with coil, supply air, we have duct system, and we have conditioned space. The key features are water used to carry cooling to AHU, air distributes cooled air to rooms. So next one is typical zoning strategy in HVAC plants. So buildings are often divided into zones based on orientation, based on facing east or west, load types, occupancy, lighting, equipment, floor level, and we have diagram 4. So that is zonal distribution in central plant. So that is zones. We are dividing into zones. Zone A is office, zone B labs, for example, zone C is server room, and each zone has its own terminal units, FCUs, that is VAV boxes for independent control. So these are the key features. Next one is fifth one, air distribution system layouts. So in plants, so ducting layout is AHU. So main duct. So again we are dividing into three ways: VAV box, three VAV box, and each one is diffuser. We have diffusers, and key features are AHU delivers conditioned air through main duct, and VAV is variable air volume. Boxes control air flow, and diffusers distribute air in occupied spaces. So these are the VAVs and diffusers are used in ducting layout. So then we have plant layouts. So plant layout versus features. We have initial cost, centralized, decentralized, and packaged. So initial cost is high, and moderate and moderate. Operational flexibility low, high, and high. So maintenance is a centralized effort, localized, easy access, suitable for large buildings, zoned systems, rooftop or small. So energy efficiency is high with the BMS, building management system, and depends on use, and moderate in case of packaged type of layout. So this is a comparison chart in terms of features. So HVAC plant layout impacts energy efficiency, comfort, maintenance, and scalability. And here, understanding the plant type, distribution strategy, and zoning is essential in selecting the most appropriate HVAC system for a building. So that is the end of our topic, plant layouts, types of classification of plant layouts. So for this, the books are not giving much information, and you can refer my material. And for additional information, you can refer these books. So there ends this topic, students. We will stop here, and we will meet again in next session. Thank you, students. Thank you. We will see the next topic in next session.